Welcome back to Mama Weesie channel. As you can see by the title, I will be showing you all how to clean collard greens. You may clean it the way I clean it, and you may not. You may have your own special way, but I'm going to show you the way I clean it. So I want y'all to come on along. First, you start with a good soak. Then the best way to clean collard greens is to soak them in salt. I have my strainer on the side, so when I wash the collard greens, and now I'm rinsing the collard greens. And when you rinse the collard greens, you should see dirt coming off the greens and collecting at the bottom of the bowl or the sink if you're using your sink. For me, I like to wash my greens like 10 times to make sure everything is out of it. Or I continue to rinse the collard greens until the water is clear and there's no more green in the water. I'm all done cleaning up the collard greens. Now I came out with 2 bowls, huh? Y'all like, how you get 2 bowls? Because I had 2 packs of collard greens. The name of it is Glory. I didn't feel like cutting up the greens, so I went to the store and bought collard greens that's already cut up. And lucky me, and all I had to do was just put it to soak along with my salt on top. So that's how you clean collard greens. Like I say, y'all probably do it different with vinegar. I have my short ribs. They're all washed up, ready to go in the pot. And I have my short rib boiling before I add my collard greens. Okay, my Weesie Nation and the ones who's coming for the first time watching. I already showed you all how to cook collard greens. I want you to go back to my Southern Soul Food Sunday dinner to see how I prepare the collard greens and what did I use in the collard greens. The next video, the next slide will show you what the thumbnail look like. So go in that playlist and click that button and support me by watching it all the way through. I know everybody who's watching now is part of the Weesie family. So I want y'all to go ahead and give these greens a thumbs up because I know it's making your mouth water. Here's the final product.